Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of eyebrow transplants in Turkey. We'll explore the procedure, its benefits, and why Turkey has become a popular destination for this life-changing treatment. So, let's get started. To better understand the process, we're here at a leading eyebrow transplant clinic in Istanbul. Let's meet Hair Implants in Turkey Clinic, an expert in the field, who will guide us through the entire procedure. Hello and welcome. Eyebrow transplants have gained immense popularity over the years, and Turkey has become a hub for this remarkable procedure. Let us explain how it works. First, we assess the patient's needs and preferences. Then, using the latest techniques, we extract hair follicles from the donor area, typically the back of the scalp. These follicles are carefully transplanted into the eyebrow area, ensuring a natural and aesthetically pleasing result. I had sparse eyebrows all my life, and it affected my confidence. After extensive research, I chose to have my eyebrow transplant in Turkey. The results were incredible. Now I wake up every day with perfectly shaped eyebrows that look completely natural. Apart from the exceptional results, Turkey also offers several advantages for those seeking eyebrow transplants. Let's explore some of these key factors. 1. Expertise. Turkey is home to highly skilled and experienced surgeons specializing in eyebrow transplants. They stay up to date with the latest advancements, ensuring top-quality results. 2. Affordability. Compared to many other countries, eyebrow transplants in Turkey are significantly more affordable, without compromising on quality. This makes it accessible to a wider range of individuals seeking this treatment. 3. Medical tourism infrastructure. Turkey boasts a robust medical tourism infrastructure, with modern clinics equipped with state-of-the-art technology. Patients can expect a comfortable and seamless treatment experience. 4. Cultural heritage. Istanbul, with its rich cultural heritage, offers a unique blend of history and beauty. Patients can enjoy exploring this magnificent city while undergoing their eyebrow transplant journey. Now that we've explored the benefits of eyebrow transplants in Turkey, let's address some common concerns. 1. Safety. Turkey's medical facilities adhere to stringent international standards, ensuring patient safety and well-being throughout the entire process. 2. Natural results. Skilled surgeons in Turkey prioritize natural-looking results, carefully designing and implanting each hair follicle to match the patient's facial features and desired eyebrow shape. 3. Recovery and aftercare. Post-transplant care is crucial for successful results. Patients receive comprehensive instructions on how to care for their newly transplanted eyebrows, and are provided with necessary medications and follow-up appointments. And that wraps up our exploration of eyebrow transplants in Turkey. Whether you're seeking fuller eyebrows, correcting hair loss, or simply enhancing your facial features, Turkey offers a world-class solution. Remember, always consult with a qualified professional before making any decisions regarding cosmetic procedures. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.